Imagine waking up to these uninterrupted panoramic river views. Positioned on the 5th floor of the central tower, this exceptional 3-bedroom apartment has been curated with premium appliances, elegant finishes and breathtaking views, designed to elevate everyday living into an extraordinary experience. With resort-style luxury extending far beyond your apartment door, you'll enjoy access to a concierge service, infinity edge pool, private dining rooms, riverside terraces, and much, much more. Just moments to cafes, shops and transport, your exclusive riverside lifestyle awaits.